You may wonder how to restore WhatsApp backup without uninstalling. If you have backed up your WhatsApp messages, you don't have to worry. But what if you have no backups? How lucky you are! Here, we have two different ways to recover WhatsApp messages after uninstall. Method 1. Retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. If you are not proficient in recovery techniques, you can consider using FoneDog. Try the following steps. Step 1. Download, install, and launch FoneDog Toolkit Android Data Recovery on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Android device and enable USB debugging. Step 3. Choose WhatsApp by ticking the box next to it. Step 4. Start to scan your device. Step 5. Preview and click Recover to recover your WhatsApp messages. See, this is the easiest and fastest way to restore WhatsApp messages after uninstall, as it doesn't require any complicated steps. Method 2. Restore WhatsApp messages backups from SD card after uninstall. If you are familiar with how the Android device works, you can download a file manager app to find the local backup from the SD card or local backup. Losing WhatsApp messages is a confusing thing. To avoid losing WhatsApp chats, you can back up your WhatsApp data to Google Drive, SD card, or email. You can always try the methods we mentioned in this video. If this video is helpful, feel free to subscribe to us for more tips.